Hello friends, welcome to in second video of Codex Alimentarius Commission. In first video we have discussed about its establishment, number of members and their scope and their duties. In this video we are going to discuss about the organizational composition of the Codex Alimentarius Commission. Codex Alimentarius Commission is an international food standard body established jointly by Food and Agriculture Organization and the World Health Organization in May 1963 with the purpose to protect consumers' health and ensuring fair practices in the food trade. Organizational structure of Codex Alimentarius is consisted of Codex Committee. First is Executive Committee. Under it there are subsidiary bodies. The first is General Subject and Commodity Committees, and second is Coordinating Committee, and third is the Task Force. The chairperson of Codex Alimentarius Commission is Guilherme da Costa from Brazil. The food standards development work of the Commission is assisted by Executive Committee and the subsidiary bodies, General Subject and Commodity Committee, Coordinating Committee, and the Task Forces. Executive Committee of the Codex Alimentarius Commission act as an executive organ and manage the program of standard development through conducting a critical review and also perform the duty of making proposals regarding general orientation and the strategic planning. There are three subsidiary bodies in the Codex Alimentarius Commission. First is General Subject and Commodity Specific Committee that prepare draft standard for submission to the Commission, and the second is Coordinating Committee. This is a region specific group of countries in which they coordinate food standard activity in the region and the development of regional standard. Currently, there are 6 codex regions. Third is task force, that is ad hoc intergovernmental task force with very limited terms of references established for a fixed period of time. Currently, task force on antimicrobial resistance is active. India is the host secretariat for the Codex Committee on Spices and Culinary Herbs. India is a member of Executive Committee as Regional Coordinator of Regional Coordinating Committee for Asia. In Asia region there are 24 countries. For them India is the regional coordinator and at the same time it's also a member of Codex Alimentarius Commission Executive Committee. Now in reference to India, 22nd December 2015, Food Safety and Standard Authority of India constituted National Codex Committee to keeping license with the codex activity at the international level. And the chairperson of FSSI will be the chairperson of the National Codex Committee. Under National Codex Committee, there are shadow committees which are specific to different matters. Currently, there are 12 shadow committee on various subject matters. The Food Safety and Standard Authority of India designated as a nodal point for liaison with the codex known as National Codex Contact Point of India. Now is the FAO WHO Codex Trust Fund. This fund was established to support countries to build strong, solid and sustainable national capacity to engage in Codex. Codex Trust Fund Secretariat is in WHO. Codex Trust Fund first was initiated in 2004 to 2015 and there were 2300 participants were spotted. After Codex Trust Fund first, Codex Trust Fund second was initiated in July 2016 at the 39th session of the Codex Alimentarius Commission, with special focus on helping countries address the barriers to effective engagement in Codex at national level. Codex Trust Fund second will be for 12 years and estimated to support over 100 eligible countries. Especially with Indian reference, the joint application for India along with Bhutan and Nepal has been accepted for support from Codex Trust Fund second. The project will be run for a period of 3 years. So this was the complete information about the Codex Trust Fund and Codex Alimentarius Commission. In both video we have completed all the related information to Codex Alimentarius Commission, and I hope this will be helpful for your preparation for the Food Safety and Standard Authority of India exam 2021. If you feel the content is helpful, like the content, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.